How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update. And just as we've been predicting over the past week, we hit our 1272 target, $52,400. We saw multiple huge YouTube and Twitter accounts actually entering shorts around this area. But luckily enough, I was able to, of course, suggest that this resistance would actually hold as support for bullish continuation to the 1272. And now that has been met, we understand that it is resistance. As we are approaching it, we need to understand that it's not only the 1272 that is resistance, but this entire area. And so from this point, we need to actually flip it into support so we can get up to 56K. So while it is resistance at the moment, we need to see if in 8.5 hours time, when this actually does close, whether it will be above or below. If we close beneath this point, then I'm going to scale to the 4-hour time frame to find the closest supports. But just by the way, I really apologize if you can hear my pug in the background. She's snorting so much. I don't know why. She's got a blocked nose or something. But carrying on, let's go over to the 4-hour time frame and look at this most recent move. If you remember, when we had that CPI news, and although it was bearish for crypto, in that update, I was suggesting that we would actually go up and that the CPI news is just a little scare, a little trap, sending us back down to the 4-hour moving averages for bullish continuation. So the next levels of support should then, of course, be the 20 moving average on the 4-hour. Equally, if you lose this area of support, we come back down to the low that we just came from. If this is our top and we start to come back down towards the moving averages, then I need to also use my Fibonacci's, and we can see some confluence around the golden pocket area over here on this previous resistance, suggesting it should now be support. It is also the $50,000 psychological level. Guys, before we move on, I just want to say a thank you to you all for helping me achieve 8,000 subscribers. Keep liking, commenting, and subscribing, sharing the videos if you can as well in your own communities and retweeting it. And hopefully we can hit 10K as quick as possible. Do not forget that we have a Discord membership at the moment. So if you want some further exclusive content, I'm going to take you over to my Twitter. Make sure you're following me there anyway. I was posting about this trade earlier. If you've been following me with my VeChain updates, you would know about the spot trade, but we actually took advantage of this with leverage over in the Discord community. So here it is that was an earlier post, but we actually secured 75% of this 567% gain. So if you put £100, dollars, euros, you would be at a price point of 667 right now. If you secured 75, you've just secured 500, leaving in 167. Equally, add a zero. If we're talking about a position where you entered with 1,000, you would have essentially just secured $5,000, and then of course leaving $1,670 to run for further profit, because we do actually anticipate it to continue, because again, if Bitcoin breaks through this level, then we're expecting all altcoins to continue rallying. And in fact, guys, VeChain is just one of those that is just leading at the moment. So we have a lot of opportunity in the market where altcoins haven't really got going yet. So I'm going to actually start to look for other opportunities with the profits that I've just secured. And I know that I'm leaving some in, 25%, but with this profit that I've now made and the Discord community have made, we're going to look for further opportunities on cryptos that haven't yet pumped. So if you want to join, it is $25 a month, and you just need to use the links down below in the description or over on Twitter. And it just enables me to continue giving you these updates every single day. Now, the importance of 52K. Why is it of importance? Because, in fact, guys, if we can get above it and confirm it as support, we will eventually break the 1618. Can you see the path that I've drawn out since breaking the 1 fib level? In fact, this path is validated all the way back down when you over here, when you break through the golden pocket, because you're going on a different path. From here, we're meant to continue lower down into the 200 EMA. But did price do this? No. We stopped following the bearish path, although we were bearish and had every opportunity to go down. We managed to form an EMA repel, which I called for you guys exactly. And look at the move that it gave us. I always tell you, it brings a slingshot move. Look at that. It's all come to fruition. Everything that I've been saying over the past months, years, weeks, days, it's all come to fruition. It's all come true, essentially. So now what we need to see is this area flipped into support for the continuation to the 1618. And let's say we do actually drop from here. So let's say we flip into support, manage to hit this as resistance, but eventually pushing through, and then we get a dump. And this dump forms a lower high and then takes us back down to the 1272. As long as it holds, we'll actually continue past $56,000. And this is why I have a path at the moment to the previous all-time high, because the Fibonacci's are saying so. And of course, if we maintain above the golden pocket, which is where we meant to go down from, as long as we stay above this now and create those higher lows, which we have done so in the past couple of days, then we're looking to eventually flip this whole area into support and then continue to our previous all-time high. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to your community over on Twitter, to your friends, family, so we can hit 10K as quick as possible. We have to fight this algorithm on a daily basis. It is so annoying. So the comments, the likes, they help so much. Let's get these videos to 50 likes a day. It's achievable with the amount of people that watch these. It just takes a second. And again, guys, if you want to profit along with us in the chat, remember, with this position alone, if you put $1,000 in, or pounds, you would be up £6,670 at the moment. With the 75% secured, you would have secured £5,000 with 1,670 left for continuation. That's it from me today. Again, I'll catch you in the next one. Hope to see more of you in the Discord, teaching you weekly in those live streams. Cheers.